Macavity, the Mystery Cat by T.S. Eliot. Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the Hidden Paw, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair, for when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. Macavity, Macavity, there's no one like Macavity. He's broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. And when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. You may seek him in the basement. You may look up in the air. But I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. Macavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in, his brow is deeply lined with thought, his head is highly domed. His coat is dusty from neglect, his whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake, and when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. Macavity, Macavity, there's no one like Macavity, for he is a fiend in feline shape, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square, but when a crime's discovered, then Macavity's not there. By T.S. Eliot. Now look at the meanings. Defy, disobey or resist openly. Scotland Yard, the headquarters of the London Police Force. Flying Squad, a group of police or soldiers ready to move into action. Levitation, floating in the air without support. Fiend, devil, feline, relating to cat. Depravity, moral corruption. The poet describes about a cat named Macavity. He is also called the Hidden Paw. The cat is a great criminal. He has openly disobeyed the law. Yet, the police of Scotland Yard is helpless. Sometimes the flying squad runs after it. However, the squad is also disappointed. The cat is never found by it. Macavity moves much faster than the flying squad. The poet says that there has been no creature like Macavity. It has broken not only human laws but even the laws of nature. He floats in the air without any support. He breaks the nature's law of gravitation. The fakirs are supposed to have some magical powers, but even they stare upon Macavity. The wonder is that when one rushes to the scene of crime, Macavity is not found. Those who look for him find him neither in the basement nor in the air. Macavity is a very special cat. He is very tall and thin, and it has a sunken eyes and a doomed head. His coat is dusty from neglect, and his whiskers are not combed. You will find him swaying his head from side to side, just as a snake does. He is an expert cheat. When you feel he is asleep, he is only dozing. In fact, Macavity is always alert.